Hello all, I am Shivam. This is an assignment which we have to submit to Skyfi Labs for the project discussion, and I will show you step by step and explain all the commands. First, importing all important libraries. First, import pandas as pd, then import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Matplotlib.pyplot is basically plotting our dataset and output. Our data is data equals to pd.read underscore csv, location, name of file. Here we are getting input data and output data, which is our real underscore x and real underscore y. We reshape the data, and now importing scikit-learn module, which is from sklearn dot module underscore selection. We importing training underscore test underscore split. Here we train our data and test our data. Here we make a variable train underscore x, testing underscore y, and training underscore y and testing underscore y equals to train underscore test underscore split. Here train underscore test underscore split getting some values, which is real underscore x value and real underscore y value, which is our training data set, and we are want to train 70% of my data, and random state equals to 0. Now again from sklearn we are importing our linear regression. From sklearn.linear model we are importing linear regression. Now lin equals to linear regression function. Now we are fit our training data, which is training underscore x and training underscore y. Now we predict a data which is our using lin function, lin dot predict linear regression function, which is lin dot predict. Here we putting give our testing data, which is testing underscore x. Now we give any one of data like 3 and is predict the 3 is basically 3 is basically our third number of data set, which is the at position of third. Now we are plotting our data set. We are plotting scatter plot. plt.scatter give the value training underscore x, training underscore y. This is our training data set, and training plotting color equals to red. Now we are also plotting a straight line, which is our suitable line, right? And now plt.xlevel is our experience, and then this is our salary. Now show, and again next is our testing dataset and plotting the value same as it is and showing. This is output of our training dataset, training, and this is our testing plot. Now we are understand the linear regression project. Thank you.